12 light-years wide, shaped like a bat in flight, and quietly giving birth to stars, LDN 43 is one of the most hauntingly beautiful nurseries in our galaxy. What you are seeing as that deep red glow is hydrogen gas, the same element that makes up most of the observable universe, being energized by the ultraviolet light of young stars hidden inside. Stars so newly formed that they are still wrapped in the very cloud that made them. A jet of glowing gas streams outward from what looks like the nebula's head, a birth announcement written in light from a star that has never yet been seen. This cloud sits only about 500 light-years away, close by cosmic standards, which means we are watching star formation happen, practically in our own backyard. Every atom of hydrogen in that glowing wing was forged in the first minutes after the Big Bang. The same atoms, 14 billion years later, are becoming new suns. Something is always being born in the dark,